Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we create text effect masking in PowerPoint. So let's start our today lesson. First of all, we go to our PowerPoint file and Control and new slide open. Control N, Control A, Control M, Control A. Remove text and title from previous file. Go to home and download. Drag here images in PowerPoint. Second image is drag it. Go to first slide, zoom out, adjust size here. Format, align, center. Control D, new slide open, center here. Go to home, text, you can desire your bold. Control A, go to home, impact, go to 98 and bold. Format, shape, intersection. Go to crop image. Format, border, white color, and increase weightage 2.5. Go to again second image, Control D, Control V, previous text, Control A, select and increase font size 7.72. Impact, again select, Control A and press Shift F3 to capitalize text. Press image and same time text box. Intersection. And now again go to text image and crop the file. So everything is okay. Press F5, first image and second image. A masking effect has been complete now. So we humbly request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel and give us your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.